A big announcement today about yet another potential risk linked to breast cancer.
Health anchor Liz Bonus joins us now to share something new researchers have discovered. Liz.
Hey guys, good afternoon. Researchers at the Cleveland Clinic have discovered a key difference in the breast tissue of healthy women compared to the breast tissue of women with breast cancer. Now they say that difference may have to do with an imbalance of bacteria in breast cancer tissue compared to that of healthy tissue. In a pilot study to find this out, researchers looked at cancerous and non-cancerous tissue. They found some bacteria were what they call overrepresented in certain breast cancers. They did not find this to be true in tissue that was not cancerous. Now, the bacteria that live in the body are known as micro-biomes, and previous research has shown that when these are in the gut, the system is sort of out of balance and it becomes easier for disease to grow. In this study, researchers examined the tissues of 78 patients who underwent mastectomies related to breast cancer. They found that healthy, non-cancerous breast tissue had more of a certain type of bacteria, but that the cancerous tissues had other types of bacteria that were elevated as well. Now, the next step in this research is to look at whether the bacteria in the breast cancer tissue could be targeted then with treatment, or if a problem area could be targeted even before that cancer develops. This could be big for treatment because it could mean instead of giving chemotherapy, you could give something like a targeted probiotic with fewer side effects. You know, now we give antibiotics, you'd give a probiotic, could make a difference and could be a whole new area of potential cancer discovery. Guys?
Liz, this is probably the greatest indicator that you continue to make so much progress because of the research money that's been raised for breast cancer. True? Not true?
Oh, absolutely true. And little things like this are basic science, but remember, every cure, every medication, every pill started with basic science. So doing this in the lab and finding those differences could make a huge difference in prevention and treatment overall.
It's good.
Yeah, it is great. I mean, you just see pink now, and that's what you think of, right?
Absolutely.
It's great.